Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're unveiling the ultimate solution for your laundry needs, the Clothes Drying Rack Tripod, a versatile and space-saving marvel perfect for any home. This foldable and portable drying rack is designed for easy setup and compact storage, making it an ideal choice for compact apartments without a dryer. Whether you're drying clothes indoors or outdoors, this sturdy rack, with its robust tripod structure and 16 rods, can hold up to 45 pounds of garments, ensuring stability and durability. The sophisticated design allows you to balance the weight on both sides, enhancing stability, while the rounded corner design adds a touch of elegance. With its user-friendly, tool-free installation, this drying rack is perfect for use in balconies, bedrooms, and laundry rooms, adapting to your space and needs effortlessly. Its efficient and stylish design makes it a practical must-have for every home, offering a true partner in getting your laundry done with ease. So why settle for less when you can have the best clothes drying rack that combines functionality with style? Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.